In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an estimate to an invoice in ZipBooks. We'll start right on your ZipBooks dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Estimates tab in the navigation menu. Click that to open your list of estimates. This is where all your drafts and approved proposals live, so take a moment to locate the specific estimate you want to convert. If you have a lot of entries, use the built-in search or sorting options to quickly narrow it down by client or date. Once you've found the right one, click it to open the full estimate view. With the estimate open, you'll see a clear option at the top labeled Convert to Invoice. Go ahead and click that. ZipBooks will instantly create a new invoice based on this estimate, carrying over all your line items, descriptions, rates, and amounts. Nothing is sent to your client yet. This just creates a working invoice so you can make final adjustments before it goes out. Now review everything carefully. Scan each line item for accuracy, making sure quantities, rates, and descriptions match what you agreed on. Check any taxes or discounts you may have included on the estimate and confirm the subtotal and total look right. If anything changed since you created the estimate, this is the time to make edits. You can still add new items, remove something that no longer applies, or adjust the numbers if you need to. It's also a good idea to verify that the client information is correct and that any internal notes or public notes read the way you want them to on the final invoice. Think of this step as your quality check to prevent back and forth later. When everything looks good, it's time to save and send. Click Finalize to save the invoice in your account. Finalizing ensures the document is ready and clearly marked as an invoice rather than a draft. After that, click Send to email the official invoice to your client. ZipBooks will use the client's contact email on file, and your customer will receive the invoice with the exact details you just reviewed. If you prefer to keep it on file for a moment, you can finalize now and send later, but sending immediately helps you get paid faster and keeps your workflow moving. And that's all it takes. You went from estimate to invoice in just a few clicks. Open the estimate, convert it, review, finalize, and send. Follow this flow each time you close a deal, and you'll keep your billing consistent, accurate, and quick.